Multi-channel high-viscosity liquid flow consistency test. Product display required for the experiment. We use multi-channel injection pump to conduct multi-channel flow consistency testing under different viscosity liquids. This test can be used to evaluate the stability and accuracy of multi-channel synchronous conveying under high viscosity conditions. Except for the viscosity of the liquid, all other testing conditions remain consistent in this experiment. Experiment 1. Pre-filling of pipelines and weighing of empty bottles are required for each experiment to ensure reliable measurement results. We will now begin testing the first set of low-viscosity liquids, deionized water. Conduct 8 sets of drainage experiments and record the weight of the bottles after drainage one by one. From the actual test screen, it can be seen that the 4 channels maintain a stable and synchronized output state. Based on 8 sets of test data, it is concluded that the flow output of 4 channels is highly synchronized, and the single deviation rate does not exceed 0.15%. Under low resistance conditions, small differences in flow resistance within the system will not have a significant impact on the output. Experiment 2. Second round of testing, medium viscosity liquid. Conduct 8 sets of drainage experiments and record the weight of the bottles after drainage one by one. The multi-channel infusion pump still maintains good synchronous output performance. Based on 8 sets of test data, it is concluded that the flow output of 4 channels is synchronized, and the single lateral deviation rate does not exceed 0.27%. Experiment 3. Third round of testing, high-viscosity polymer solution. When the flow resistance further increases, if the equipment thrust is insufficient and the mechanical synchronization deviation is large, it is easy to experience a decrease in flow velocity or output lag in some channels. It can be seen that each channel still maintains stable output without obvious speed drop or step loss phenomenon. The outputs of the 4 channels remain stable, with a single lateral deviation rate not exceeding 0.51%. Good long-term stability, controllable accuracy. From the comparison data of the 3 experiments, it can be seen that as the viscosity of the liquid increases, the system resistance does indeed rise, but Runze pump can still maintain excellent multi-channel synchronization accuracy. For application scenarios that require high viscosity and multi-channel synchronous transportation, Runze multi-channel injection pump can provide stable and reliable traffic consistency assurance. For more product information, please feel free to contact us.